let me say something about the teleological arguments, the argument for designer. You look at this photo on the screen, you'll see the words "I was here." Now, you don't see anybody there, right? But you know that somebody must have been there before. Why? Because these words is evidence of a designer, somebody intelligent who have written these words. Now, think about the equations of physics which scientists discover, right? So these equations, there are thousands of them, like E equals mc squared, for example. Now, these are far more complicated and precise and sophisticated than these simple words "I was here." Okay, so you know that these words "I was here" couldn't have came by random forces or natural forces, right, such as the wind or the waves. They wouldn't have formed these words. Likewise, it is unreasonable to think that these equations, the information contained therein, is just formed by random or natural forces. I have formulated the teleological argument in this way, right? So contemporary physics indicates that physical reality has a high degree of order, and this order is either fundamentally uncaused or is fundamentally due to random causes, which I call chance, or non-random causes, either non-intelligent, non-random causes, which is regularity, or intelligent, non-random causes, which is design, or due to a combination of these. Using this syllogism, I demonstrated there are only these few possibilities. And then I go on to show that there are good reasons for thinking that this order is not fundamentally due to chance, regularity, or combination. But there's no good reason to think that it's not fundamentally due to design. Okay, and therefore, it is due to design. Now, why not chance? Because it is vastly improbable billions of these particles could just follow these highly ordered equations, and the regularity hypothesis fails because it doesn't explain why there's regularity in the first place. And for the chance and regularity hypothesis to work, the high degree of order must already exist in the first place. And the uncaused hypothesis fails because unintelligent entities are blind to high degree of order, so they doesn't render such order probable, and therefore design. So in conclusion, cosmological and teleological arguments are deductively valid arguments based on true premises, and therefore the conclusion is true. There exists a creator of physical reality.